Thanks for coming to the UKZN first ever DSTI and UKZN Foundation Spark KZN workshop.
Today is not just another workshop. Today is about possibilities, as Neil was saying. It's about bringing together two communities that have much to offer each other. The business community that drives economic growth, creates jobs and solves practical challenges every day. And the academic community that generates new knowledge, develops innovative technologies, and pushes the boundaries of what is possible. So we structured the program to try and make it as interactive as possible, to create networking opportunities. So we started off this morning with a really useful introduction for those that are new to the university, giving them an overview of what happens, the research that takes place, how we go about doing research. And then we structured it so we had 3 different venues, and each venue we had people doing little 10-minute presentations about the research. And that allowed the various interested business people to move around and interact with those people that are doing the presentations. And then of course we break for tea, and those tea sessions are always valuable because it provides an excellent opportunity to people to network and share business cards and ideas and concepts and etc. So the exhibitors also have really added quite a nice dimension to today's event because they provide lots of pamphlets and brochures and information that's specific to their particular products that they're offering. And I think that engagement has been really useful for not only the business community, but also I think for our own researchers here and academics at the university. Certainly the academics I think are very grateful because nothing like this has ever happened before at the university, so it's given them a really good platform.
So I'm Dr. Gina Renken, an academic at the University of KwaZulu-Natal, presenting today at the UKZN Spark presentation. Really exciting opportunity, merging research and industry partners and looking at scalability, bringing out what we have found in research into the broader public and to people that need it.
We choose a municipality to get involved in the conference for 2 reasons. The one is that we have lots of challenges like other municipalities in the country. And we feel that with a partnership with the students and academia, we can find solutions to some of these challenges. But also it's an opportunity to partner with the university as well and the students so that we part of the research. We just don't want to receive a product, we want to be part of the solution as well.
The importance of conferences comes in forming relationships, mainly because universities and institutions or private companies don't usually have that kind of relationship. And usually what we do in companies, we issue out tenders for research collaborations, and we don't know if the universities do get those tenders. So when you come to a conference like this, you are able to engage, find out if universities do understand how we issue tenders, how we issue research tenders, so that we can also get them to tender for those type of research tenders that we issue, so that we can work together.
According to today's presentation, and what stood out for me was all the different fields that the candidates are involved in, and we see value in that. We could potentially see a lot of projects coming from that, particularly the PhD students, and where there would be PI initiatives, things like that. We obviously want to be ahead of the market in terms of innovation, new designs and technologies, so that's where we see value.
I think what was interesting for me was the presentation on the tax incentive, which I think a lot of companies out there are not aware of. So it's not a matter of just throwing money at research, it's also about getting something back in return besides just the research.
The R&D tax incentive is a government-backed incentive, and it was designed to encourage innovation across all the sectors of the economy. It is managed in terms of Section 11D of the income tax, where companies undertaking scientific and technological R&D activities in South Africa, you can qualify for up to 150% deduction on their R&D expenditure.
So thanks, colleagues. As I said, it's been a very fruitful session. I think somebody asked me at lunch, why the name Spark? And I think I said we want to initiate something. So I'm hoping today we've initiated something between academia and industry, and the DSTI and government organizations, all those who were present.
Now, I certainly will encourage all industries and industry partners out there to get involved in the research. And when you do see the invite for next year, certainly do come in and join the academia.